Today we are going to discuss exercises of editing with MS Word. Fill in the blanks. MS Word is a application software. 2. By default, MS Word documents get docs as the extension. 3. Until we type or name our documents, by default gets untitled as name. 4. The cursor is the small blinking line on the screen that indicates where to type the text. 5th, when we save our documents for the first time, we use the save option. Match the following: column A, column B. Add my word so that it is not shown as wrong spelling. तो इसको एड टू डिक्शनरी से मैच करेंगे. कॉपी अवॉर्ड को Ctrl+C से मैच करेंगे. शॉर्ट की फॉर फाइंड को Ctrl+F से मैच करेंगे. शॉर्ट की फॉर अनडू को Ctrl+Z से मैच करेंगे. सेलेक्ट होल पैराग्राफ को ट्रिपल क्लिक ऑन पैराग्राफ से मैच करेंगे. सजेस्ट वेज टू डू द फॉलोइंग. टू कैंसल लास्ट एक्शन. If you want to cancel the action done, we click on the undo button, or we can press Ctrl+Z key together. 2. To delete text and take it to other place in the documents. तो इसमें cut using Ctrl+X, then paste using Ctrl+V. 3. To make no as now in the documents, press Ctrl+H in find what type no, and in replace with type now, then click on replace all. 4th, to see the documents before printing. To see a document before printing, click on print preview option. 5th, to check the spelling using a keyboard. Answer: simply press F7 button to check the spelling. 6th, to undo an action. To undo an action, press Ctrl+Z. 7. To delete a word, to the left of the cursor. Answer: backspace key is pressed to delete a word to the left of. Find button is present on editing group on home tab. 2nd, undo button cancel the last action को टिक करेंगे. Which option is not an editing feature in MS Word? तो ये रिमूव नहीं होता, इसको टिक करेंगे. You have created a document and now you want to change every occurrence of Kolkata with Kolkata. Which feature would you see? तो find button is present on editing group on home tab. 2nd, undo button cancel the last action को टिक करेंगे. Which option is not an editing feature in MS Word? तो ये रिमूव नहीं होता, इसको टिक करेंगे. You have created a document and now you want to change every occurrence of Kolkata with Kolkata. Which feature would you see? तो find and replace को टिक करेंगे. You accidentally changed some text and now you wish to revert. Which feature should you see? तो undo को टिक करेंगे. Fill in the blanks. Cursor indicate the position where the text that we type will appear in the document. Second, press Ctrl+A keys to select the whole document. 3. Press Delete key to delete text to the left of cursor. 4th, if we accidentally performed an operation which we did not want to do, we use the undo option. 5th, when we use to cut copy button, text is copied from the documents and placed on the clipboard. Guess the letter in the blanks. Which clues are given below boxes? डी ई दिया हुआ है, यहाँ एल ए टी लिखेंगे तो डिलीट हो जाएगा. यहाँ सी ओ वाई लिखेंगे तो कॉपी हो जाएगा. यहाँ ए एस टी लिखेंगे तो पेस्ट हो जाएगा. यहाँ यू लिखेंगे तो कट हो जाएगा. यहाँ आर ई डी लिखेंगे तो रीडू हो जाएगा.